At Zuma, your trusted JLG dealer, we're proud to introduce the JLG ES2632, designed to raise your productivity, enhance your safety, and reduce your operating costs. The JLG ES2632 is built to keep you productive all day long, with up to double the battery life compared to competing models. Need to navigate tight spaces? The ES2632's collapsible rails and narrow 2 feet 8 inches design make it perfect for indoor and outdoor jobs. Reach new heights with the ES2632, offering a platform height of 25 feet 6 inches and a working height of up to 31 feet 6 inches. Zuma understands how important it is to stay connected. That's why the ES2632 includes a USB charger and phone holder, keeping your devices powered and secure. The ES2632's advanced electric drive system eliminates hydraulic components, reducing leaks and service needs. With fewer moving parts, you'll save on maintenance and maximize uptime, keeping your job on schedule. Zuma is proud to partner with JLG, the industry leader in scissor lift innovation. With Zuma's unmatched customer service and JLG's reputation for quality, safety, and performance, you're in the best hands for your lifting needs. At Zuma, we're committed to helping you work smarter. Contact us today to see how the JLG ES2632 can transform your job site.